Today at Coyote Classics, we're pleased to show you this gorgeous 1969 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. This car is awesome. Working power antenna, show quality restoration, big block 396, 4-speed manual transmission, great sound and dual exhaust. It's crazy the power antenna still works.
No kidding, that's awesome. It's got tilt wheel as well.
Show quality engine compartment, big block 396, and it's got to be built up a little bit because it just sounds and it's fast as hell.
I haven't got a chance to drive this one yet, so I'm excited about that.
But I told you this could be a quick video because I went around it when I pictured it, and there's nothing really for imperfections to point out, so there's gonna be a lot of bragging up on the car. But really nice under the hood, power steering, power brakes. Paint on the inner fenders is really nice.
I love the Cortez silver paint too, it's beautiful.
Me too. And really good gaps all the way around. Your hood lines up great in the back, nice even gap. To the front, new bumper, new grille, headlights look new. All the trim's got a really nice shine. The driver's side of the hood sits really nice as well. Yeah, the Cortez silver with the black SS stripe on the 69s is one of my choice color combinations. Got the SS wheels, BFG raised wet letter tires.
Yeah, those are 14, so that's exactly
really?
what that would have come with the factory.
Nice.
Yep.
They look good too. Paint's really nice. All the way down along the rocker. Door fender fit well.
We got that little dirty already.
It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Those look brand new. Corner of the door.
Looks good, looks like it had just a little bit of work. The floors are really solid
nice
on this
smooth.
too.
Door jamb paint's beautiful. Door panel looks new. This one came in on trade on a black Chevelle that we had. Guy bought it a couple years ago right after it was restored, and didn't put many miles on it, just looked at it and put it in his collection, enjoyed it. Headliner's nice and tight. Back seat looks good, back package tray looks good. And the seats were recovered and did a nice job there as well.
I love the console, the Hurst shifter.
I do too. And it even has the right slide in there for the shifter, so it shifts really nice, goes into gear good. A lot of times when people restore them, they don't put that slide in there. Up over the roof is great. Door fits awesome. Rocker looks good. Over the wheel well. Even behind the rocker is not much for rock chips. As we mentioned, power antenna. Back glass is clear, package tray looks great. Trunk lid lines up really well. New chrome bumpers, front and rear. They repainted that, nice gloss black, that looks gorgeous. And the trunk's beautiful as well. You can see those pictures on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Did just a nice job in there too. Couple small little chips there on the very bottom of the door, but other than that, there's not really anything to point out on it.
Hood lines up nice too, don't it?
It does.
This corner of the door is perfect here. Really nice paint the door jambs. The paint the door jambs is as nice as the paint on the exterior of the car.
It is. This Chaz talking corner of the door, rust-free original. All new rubbers when they did the restoration. They went all out. It does have the factory tack dash, that works. As Chad mentioned, it's got tilt wheel and the horn works. But driver's seat in good shape too.
This is a great sounding Chevelle, no doubt. Radio works? Yep, power antenna works like you said, AM/FM radio. You hear that going down, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, you can hear that's the power antenna going down.
Heater fan works, gas gauge works. got great oil pressure. You got also aftermarket gauges out here, and they're working as well. Volt gauge down here does not work. Factory tach works. It's got 57,000 miles on the odometer.
And this one, our fans on YouTube would not be happy unless you drove this. You're a little under the weather today, but I said, I'll do all the talking. You just show these guys what this car can do.
Man, the steering is tight. Tilt wheel's really nice. Nice option to have. As you mentioned before, that 4-speed is just nice and smooth.
Damn, it's wicked fast.
Speedometer works perfect. Brakes are awesome. Your brakes. Alignment's nice. It's idling about, still kind of a little bit on fast idle. Idle at about 1,200.
Heater fan works too.
Yep. Already said that. You missed that.
Oh, I missed that. You're too quick. That's just for your radio.
Freaking headliner's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
No leg works. Pretty cool hot rod Camaro with a big block in it too. I love these good sounding muscle cars like this, huh? This thing would give that 502 a run for his money.
Oh, yeah.
Black 70.
Yeah, well.
That drives perfect. So responsive. Even the gas pedal, the clutch pedal, everything's just nice and tight. You know, the whole car's tight.
It is.
It's going to make somebody a great car. It's going to look really nice sitting beside that black 70 SS.
It will. I don't think either one of those cars are going to stick around very long, unfortunately. Because, yeah, they look great in the showroom together. But I have a feeling that both of these cars are going to be gone probably before I put this video up.
I hope not.
What do we got going on here?
I don't know.
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam. Everyone's looking at the 6-inch Chevelle.
Yeah, everyone's can't focus on the road. They're too busy looking at the Cortez Silver 69 Chevelle.
It even sounds good at an idle. I mean, if you're just driving it normal, it's hard to drive it normal.
I know.
As soon as you hear that little sound, you just want to hear it all.
Yeah. Even in 4th gear, it has a lot of pull.
That was 80 mile an hour, 4,000 RPM.
Probably 373.
I think the speedometer is probably right on.
Uh-huh.
I mean,
yeah.
It felt like we were doing about 80 there.
It does.
Like I said, this is probably one of my favorite cars I've drove in a long, long time.
Yeah.
Really
Check it
is.
out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.